Hello researchers, let's learn about writing a good title for research paper. Myself, Dr. V.K. Bairagi. Today we will learn about how to write good title for research paper. A good title tells us what the paper is about. The good title should be informative. It should be specific and it should be concise. The title should describe the subject and perhaps the organism used or research environment. The title should describe about what is the purpose of writing this paper. The title should be specific. It should differentiate your research from other published papers in the same domain of research. The title should give you only the important details of the paper. The title is most important part of research paper. Here are few examples of title. Image compression. See that it's very vast domain. There are various subtypes of image compression like lossy, lossless or hybrid, and the compression varies with respect to the type of image. Natural image, satellite imaging, grayscale images, color images. So by just reading the title as image compression, it is not much clear what the paper is about. Whereas if you are reading the other title, automated region-based hybrid compression for DICOM MRI images for telemedicine application. See that the title is very clear. It is for telemedicine application. It is hybrid image. Hybrid means lossy and lossless. It is automated and it is specifically for DICOM MRI images. So by reading the title, it's clear about the paper, what the paper is about, what are the contents of the paper. So if you are reading the second title, wireless communication. See, wireless communication is very vast area. By reading just title, short title as wireless communication, it's not much clear about the paper, what the paper is about. But if you are reading the other title as wireless LAN, intrusion detection and prevention system for malicious access point. So by reading this title, it's clear that it is wireless LAN. Okay, it is the system for intrusion detection and prevention, okay, for malicious access point. Okay, so by reading this title, it's clear about the paper, what is there inside the paper, what research contents are there. Similarly, other types you can read: classification of COPD and normal lungs airways using feature extraction of EMG signal. Okay, so EMG signals are used for classification of COPD and the classification is there using feature extraction. Here is one example of good title: an adaptive method for feature selection and extraction for classification of epileptic EEG signal in significant stages. By reading this title, it is understood that what the paper is about. Similarly, I have few other examples. Early detection of glaucoma disease using image processing. So the title is very clear. It is detection of glaucoma disease using image processing. EEG signal analysis for early diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease using spectral and wavelet based feature. See, after reading the title, it is clear that it is EEG signal analysis and they are doing that EEG signal analysis for Alzheimer's disease diagnosis in early stages, and for that they are using spectral and wavelet based features. Similarly, the last title, the role and challenges of compression in medical image communication. So by reading this title, it is clear that this paper is about compression of medical images and the paper discusses about the role and challenges involved in the compression of medical image communication. Here are a few important points. Indicate accurately the subject and the scope of the study of your paper. The title should be in 10 to 15 words. The title are usually in the form of phrases, but it can also be in the form of question. Use words that create positive impression. Finalize the title at the end, even though it appears at the first. So write down the entire paper, and after writing entire manuscript, then finalize the title, which will reflect all the contents within your paper. These are the few simple steps for title selection for your manuscript. Step 1. Ask yourself few questions. What the paper is about? This paper is about automated image compression, so that is the answer. What techniques are used in this paper? It uses hybrid compression, lossy as well as lossless. What is been studied in this paper. MRI medical images which are in DICOM format, they are studied in this paper. What are the results that you obtain? It satisfies the criteria needed for transmission in telemedicine applications. Step 2. Use the keywords from the answer. So these are the answers and these are the keywords. The highlighted one, automated image compression, that is the keyword. Hybrid is the keyword. DICOM, MRI, these are the keywords from the third answer. And from the fourth answer, telemedicine application is the keywords which I found as important. Make the sentences from the keyword. Automated region-based hybrid compression for DICOM MRI images for telemedicine application. So that is the first sentence from these keywords. Now step 4. Refine the title. Rearrange the title. Remove unnecessary words from the title. And that's your final title. Here is that paper, the one which we have discussed right now. Automated region-based hybrid compression for DICOM MRI images for telemedicine application. Thank you.